Hey, I'm Rituban and I come from humble beginnings. You see, I got started with my online business in 2007 on an old compact desktop with Windows XP on a dial-up connection in India. I've had to hustle and work my way up from day one. Heck, I've even done like 16-hour web designing projects for like a $20 payout. But challenges apart, since the internet is so awesome, I've been able to touch thousands of lives all over the world in the last decade. Which brings me to today, Flying Start Online. So here's the thing, there's way too much information out there, some free, some paid, but when it comes to online marketing, most people don't share exactly how they build up their businesses. You see, starting an online business is easy, but starting a successful, consistent, profitable online business is hard. It's very, very hard. So listen, you just need to keep pushing yourself till you succeed. Bland advice? So let me tell you this. The grass is never greener on the other side. There is no other side. There's just a brick wall and you have to break through it. After that, another brick wall. Take your failures and learn from them. Take your little wins and scale with them. Me, I've had some fabulous successes and many crash and burn failures. But you see, I'm still here today, hustling, giving it all I've got, making every single day count. Because that's what it takes. My goal is to give budding entrepreneurs like yourself a flying start online. So if you pour your trust in me, we'll have so much fun together in our journey and I will push you, scratch that, shove you to go faster, harder, stronger. So are you ready to fly?